Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, today my friends, I want to answer the question about sport. Before that, I want to introduce myself. My name Muhammad Fadil Fadila. I become from major Informatika Teknik and my friends.
Muhammad Tafa Iqbar, and I'm from Digital Communication major.
First, I want to describe about singing.
Number one, do you like singing?
I really like singing.
Number two, when do you sing?
I sing almost all the time and when music is playing everywhere.
Do you have a favorite song you like to sing?
My favorite song is Nothing Gonna Change My Love for You.
Next, would you like to take something you listen?
I often take listen from songs because songs are not always love, but there are dreams, there are interesting, artistic, and there are also those that contain meaning in almost all aspects.
Next, did you enjoy singing when you were young?
I really enjoyed singing when I was young, and I will continue to hone my singing self-taught.
Next, do you like listen to other people sing?
I like listening to other people sing. It is a good voice.
The last question, do people in your country like singing for entertainment?
People in my country like to sing for me. Some even invite them to make a simple song.
Okay, let's go to the next topic, New Year. Number one, how do you celebrate New Year?
I'm just ordinary. Sometimes I don't celebrate. Sometimes I celebrate the spending on the situation.
Next, how did you celebrate the last New Year?
Hmm, it's normal because it's raining, so I'm at home and playing games and eating.
Okay. Next, what was your best New Year party so far?
My best New Year party when I was a child growing up, and now New Year's I just like an ordinary day.
Next, do you have any ceremonies to celebrate the New Year in your country?
I don't have a ceremony for the New Year. At this, I just watch fireworks that someone else even.
Next, how do most people celebrate the New Year in your country?
Blow the trumpet, burn the food, and blame the fireworks. Door.
Okay, okay. Why do people think New Year is a new beginning?
Because according to the Christian calendar, is the year of their turn. So many consider the new year to be a new beginning.
How important is celebrating New Year in your country?
I don't think it is important, but for some and most people, the new year is important and can bring families together for a meal together.
Okay, the last question. What is your opinion on having to work on New Year Day?
In my opinion, if it is still working day, then work. If you want to celebrate, you can just go home from work. That's my opinion.
And the last topic is sport. Do you like sport?
Yes, I really like sport,
What is your favorite sport?
fitness, gym, and football.
What kind of sport did you play as a child?
Soccer ball and baseball.
Do you prefer team sport or individual sport?
I prefer team sports because it is cool and can build solid.
Number 5, how do most people in your country keep fit?
Often run in the morning on holidays and ride a bicycle and jump with a rope.
Okay, number 6, would you like to go to the Olympic Games?
Yes, I really like and I want to come there because the atmosphere there is different when we watch it at home.
Are you a fan of any sport teams? Why?
Yes, I'm a fan of sport team. Why? Because I really like teamwork. With that, I can achieve success easily.
Okay. The last question is, what kind of sport is popular in your country?
Football sama badminton.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Fadil Fadila.
Thank you, Mr. Iqbar.